Hello dear students, today we are solving a very conceptual microeconomics question from the general equilibrium analysis, and we are considering a two-person, two-good and pure exchange economy, and we must identify the correct statement. Okay. Now, in a 2x2 pure exchange economy, there is no production, only exchange. Analysis is done using the Edgeworth box introduced by the Francis Edgeworth, and general equilibrium framework was formalized by Leon Wallace. Okay, now let's evaluate each options logically. Now come to option number 1. Equilibrium prices are endogenously determined. In the general equilibrium theory, prices are determined within the model. They adjust so that markets clear and demand is equal to supply for the both goods. Yes, prices are determined by the interaction of the preferences and the endowments. So this statement is correct. Now come to option number 2. Some points on the contract curve may not be Pareto optimal. Now the contract curve consists of all Pareto efficient allocations. Now by definition, every point on the contract curve is Pareto optimal. So this statement is also wrong. Now come to option number 3. In equilibrium, net demand for a good is either positive or negative but cannot be zero. In the general equilibrium, market clearing condition says net demand is zero. So equilibrium requires excess demand to be zero. Now this is incorrect. Now come to option number 4. Endowment point cannot be on the boundary of the Edgeworth box. The initial endowment can lie inside or on the boundary or even at a corner. There is no restriction like that. So this is also incorrect. So the final answer is option number 1, that is equilibrium prices are endogenously determined. Okay. Now remember, contract curve always Pareto optimal, general equilibrium prices endogenous and market clearing is excess demand, that is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the whole concept for this question. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this concept or question, you can ask me in the comment section. So see you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Bye bye guys.